Hey everyone, every January, the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas transforms the city into a hub for innovation and cutting-edge technology. The newest and most interesting developments in gaming technology are introduced there, making it a sanctuary for gamers. A revamped ROG Strix SCAR range and the groundbreaking ROG Flow Z13 gaming tablet were among the most stunning hardware developments on display at ASUS Republic of Gamers stand this year. With their unmatched performance in desktop and mobile gaming, NVIDIA's new RTX P-Series GPUs were the main attraction. At CES, NVIDIA unveiled 4 new RTX cards: the flagship RTX 5090, which comes in desktop and mobile versions, the RTX 5070, 5070 Ti, and 5080. ASUS quickly incorporated these potent GPUs into their ecosystem. With a staggering 32 gigs of GDDR7 video memory, a 512-bit bus, and 21,760 CUDA cores, the ROG Astral RTX 5090 was the GPU's high point. With cutting-edge technologies like PCI Express 5.0, sophisticated RGB lighting, and a powerful cooling system with 4 fans, this monster is made for aficionados who expect exceptional performance. The upgraded ROG Strix SCAR, a gaming laptop that perfectly embodies ASUS's dedication to both innovation and functionality, was the true star of the ROG booth, though. The famous dark-toned angular appearance of the ROG Strix SCAR range is still present, but this year's models are especially alluring thanks to a number of improvements. These laptops, which come in 16-inch and 18-inch sizes, now include an improved RGB lighting setup. Along the whole base circumference, the lighting creates a continuous line that adds a soft glow that complements the laptop's floating appearance without being unduly noticeable. The matrix display on the lid, which can display personalized images or text in addition to the luminous ROG logo, is another eye-catching design element. The ROG Strix SCAR has been optimized inside for both serviceability and performance. To make room for the new RTX 5090 GPU and Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, ASUS redesigned the cooling system, transforming the laptop into a powerful tool for both artistic and gaming tasks. The streamlined upgrade process is revolutionary because it allows customers to quickly access the SSD and RAM for simple maintenance or upgrades by removing the bottom panel without the need for tools. The ROG Strix SCAR is a beast in terms of performance. With its 256-bit interface, 175-watt TGP, and 24 gigs of GDDR7 memory, the mobile RTX 5090 GPU offers unparalleled graphical power. This laptop is designed to tackle the most taxing jobs, including AI-driven workloads and 8AA gaming, thanks to the Core Ultra 9 275HX. Its 16:10 Nebula display guarantees buttery smooth images thanks to its 2560 by 1600 resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate. Excellent contrast and color accuracy are provided by the mini LED HDR backlighting, which makes it perfect for both professional and gaming applications. From the innovative ROG Strix SCAR to the multi-purpose ROG Flow Z13, ASUS's ROG portfolio demonstrated its unrelenting innovation at CES 2025. These gadgets show how ASUS keeps pushing the limits of gaming technology by providing unmatched performance and well-considered design. ROG has set the foundation for an exciting year in computing and gaming with these announcements. Watch this space for additional CES insights, such as in-depth analyses and comparisons of these groundbreaking devices. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.